In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload supplier documents in QuickBooks Online using the transaction screen. We'll start by opening QuickBooks Online on your desktop and signing in. Make sure you're using a reliable browser and that the invoice or receipt files you want to attach are saved and easy to find on your computer. Having your documents ready will make the process smoother. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Expenses, then choose All Expenses. This view is great for all kinds of money-out transactions, like checks, expenses, and bills you've already recorded. If you're specifically working with supplier invoices that you plan to pay later, go to Bills instead. That way, you'll be looking only at the unpaid bills list, which can make things easier to locate. Next, find the transaction you want to attach a document to. You can scroll through the list or use the search and filters to narrow it down by vendor, date, or amount. When you see the one you need, click it to open the transaction details screen. This is where you can review the information and make sure you're attaching documents to the right place. Inside the transaction, scroll down until you see the Attachments section. This is where QuickBooks stores any supporting files related to the transaction, so everything stays organized and easy to reference later. Click the button that says Attach File or Upload. The wording can vary slightly, but it will open your computer's file browser. Navigate to the folder where your supplier invoice or receipt is stored, select the file you want, and remember you can select multiple files if you need to attach more than one. Common formats like PDF, JPG, and PNG work well. It's helpful to use clear file names so you can recognize them at a glance. After selecting your file, click Open or Attach to begin the upload. You may see a brief progress indicator while it uploads. Give it a moment to finish so the file links correctly. Once the upload completes, the document is now linked to the transaction and stored in QuickBooks Online. You should see a thumbnail or file name listed in the Attachments area. You can click it to preview and confirm you attached the correct document. If something isn't right, you can remove the attachment and repeat the upload steps. Keeping these documents tied to the transaction makes audits, approvals, and vendor communications much simpler because everything you need is in one place. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.